Bear hug over the arms. What do? All right. Your opponent grabs you in a bear hug over the arms, pinning your arms. As he grabs, you're going to trap the hands. You're going to raise up on your toes and you're going to drive the hips back as you drive your arms forward. That's the strike. Now, I am clear. I'm going to step out with my left leg. I'm going to throw either a back kick to the groin or a back kick to the knee. I'm going to choose the knee. I back kick that knee and I escape. One more time. You pin your arms, trap the hands, rise up on the toes, drive the hips back and punch out. Now, step forward, look, find your target, take it, and then escape. Practice, practice, practice.